Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to translate Word documents. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first step is to open a Word document and write any text that you want to translate. Once you have done this, go to the Review tab and click on the Translate button. You will now see two more options: Translate selected text or Translate document. Click on the Translate document option. A window will now appear on the right side of your screen where you can select the language you want to translate the text to. Choose the language you need and click on the Translate button. That's it! Your document has been translated quickly and easily. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.